Welcome to our channel, Tech Titan Reviews. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most highly anticipated revelations in the drone world, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This remarkable piece of technology has everyone buzzing, and for good reason. DJI has consistently set the gold standard in drone innovation, especially with its Mini series, which combines compact design and professional-grade functionality. The Mini 5 Pro is poised to push these boundaries even further, promising a revolutionary leap forward in aerial photography and technology. If you're as intrigued by this as we are, stay tuned as we uncover everything you need to know about the Mini 5 Pro, its rumored features, potential upgrades, and when we can expect it to hit the market. Let's get started. Redefining compact drones. DJI's Mini series has been a game-changer in the drone industry. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to build upon this legacy, delivering unparalleled performance in a sub-250G drone. Why is this weight limit so crucial? It allows hobbyists and new drone enthusiasts in many regions, including the US, to bypass the need for FAA registration, making it accessible and hassle-free. But here's the challenge. How can DJI pack advanced features like a larger sensor, enhanced AI capabilities, and longer battery life into such a lightweight frame? The answer lies in cutting-edge engineering and material science. DJI is likely to employ lightweight, durable materials that maintain performance without tipping the scales. Camera innovations, a visual revolution. 122. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Mini 5 Pro is its camera upgrade. Speculation suggests it could feature a 1-inch sensor, a significant improvement over the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor. This enhancement would translate to sharper, more detailed images, superior low-light performance, perfect for twilight or evening shots, advanced dynamic range for richer colors and better contrast. Additionally, DJI might introduce enhanced image stabilization and AI-assisted shooting modes. These features could make the Mini 5 Pro a must-have for photographers and videographers seeking professional-grade visuals in a compact drone. Next-level AI and connectivity. 205. Advanced AI integration is another area where the Mini 5 Pro could shine. Rumors point to improved object tracking capabilities that allow the drone to lock onto and follow fast-moving subjects with precision. Whether you're filming a high-speed car chase or capturing an athlete in action, the Mini 5 Pro's AI could elevate your footage to cinematic levels. Moreover, the introduction of 5G connectivity is expected. This would enable smoother real-time video streaming, faster data transfer for live broadcasts, and instant uploads, improved responsiveness for remote control and flight commands. These advancements make the Mini 5 Pro not just a drone but a tool for dynamic storytelling and real-time content creation. Breaking barriers in flight time. The Mini 4 Pro's impressive 40-minute flight time set a high standard. Expectations for the Mini 5 Pro are even higher. Achieving extended flight times in a lightweight frame is no small feat, but DJI's expertise in battery technology and power optimization could make it possible. Imagine the convenience of capturing prolonged aerial footage without frequent interruptions for recharging. For professional creators, this extended flight time could mean the difference between a good shot and a perfect one. Design and durability. Lightweight yet tough. 342. The Mini series has always been synonymous with portability, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to uphold this tradition. However, maintaining a sub-250G weight while incorporating high-performance features requires a delicate balance. Expect innovations in aerodynamic design for enhanced stability and flight efficiency. Durable yet lightweight materials that can withstand challenging conditions. A sleek, modern aesthetic that complements its advanced capabilities. Release date. Mark your calendars. Industry insiders suggest that DJI could unveil the Mini 5 Pro at CES 2025. This aligns with DJI's typical release cycle and strategic timing to capture attention during one of the tech industry's biggest events. While nothing is official yet, the anticipation is palpable. Stay tuned for updates as we inch closer to January 2025. The Mini 5 Pro's debut could be sooner than we think. Why the Mini 5 Pro matters. Why is the Mini 5 Pro generating so much excitement? because it's more than just another drone. It represents a significant leap forward in compact drone technology. Its rumored features blend professional-grade performance with user-friendly design, making it accessible to both seasoned professionals and newcomers. For travelers, vloggers, and content creators, the Mini 5 Pro promises to be an invaluable tool. Its compact size and advanced capabilities make it perfect for capturing breathtaking perspectives on the go. Whether you're exploring urban landscapes or venturing into the wilderness, the Mini 5 Pro could redefine your creative possibilities. Community insights. Join the conversation. What excites you most about the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Is it the potential for better camera quality, longer flight times, or advanced AI features? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your insights could inspire future content and spark meaningful discussions within our community. Conclusion: the future of drones. As we look ahead to CES 2025 and the rumored launch of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, one thing is clear: DJI is once again set to revolutionize the drone industry. From its groundbreaking camera and AI features to its lightweight, portable design, the Mini 5 Pro has the potential to set new standards for what a compact drone can achieve. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Titan Reviews for the latest updates on drones, gadgets, and all things tech. Hit the like button if you're as excited as we are about the Mini 5 Pro, and stay tuned for more exclusive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.